Hear me people. Me still I say the same thing. What me I say from day one up to today. You see? Me I say the same thing what me I say from day one. Where me I say up to today. This coronavirus where I plague the world, it could have been controllable. But because of greed, you see, because of greed, you see, it can't control it. I said that's why that spreads you know, because they see the people who lead the world who are them greed and craven and I care about people. Because you see all of the country them when left them airport them open. You see, for the moment you don't hear the thing I know it's a lockdown on the country. You know. Lockdown, who in, who out. But no, everybody has said them holy. Everybody has said them holy and them boy, everybody has said boy them want more money. Money, money, money. Alright then? See, Corona take over now. How much on life, how much I want can back out $1 million check. Buy back on life from Corona now. And every time in this life, money is important. So only you know money can buy everything, you know, but it cannot buy life. Money cannot buy life. And sing a song and say money can't buy life, you know. I don't understand, you know. All of them greedy ass prime minister and them greedy ass president in this world. You see, care not a fuck about them people. Because if you know, even look alright then. See, the prime minister of England catch the coronavirus now. And so the case if losing life in the process of this coronavirus now, you see, making back in life and corona. Corona about yo, life, who about life? Corona, I walk on, look like this, you know, and I ask, life, who about life? Prevention only cure. Wicked people only to stop with the wickedness. Because when you look on this now, we want to say we look some more money now. We couldn't let any economy because we don't know say boy money have to come in. Okay, good. Buy back all your life then from Corona take. You know use the money we want to try look and put all of the life them right now in jeopardy and in danger. Use some money and draw and check. You know what I want to go draw and check? Call the World Bank. You see? Call the World Bank and make a pay a Corona half. And tell her, please leave. Come with us, get around the corner. But someone can buy it and push all the money on the table like on regular do. So some backdoor deal. You see? Do some backdoor deal with Corona. And say, right then Corona, I'm going to check out man and go and eat yourself. Just love people, man, and make people go and live their life, man. So one of them good pastor here, we go sit down on one little place. And say, right then, yeah, we are going to put down Corona, and say, yo, Corona, yeah, go on like, yeah, this is where people know, you know. And if you control yourself, please leave me alone and go on. And say, Corona with obedience. Look and see if Corona will be obedience. I mean, no, I tell you the truth, what I say thing. Every one of you where rule people on this earth, lawmakers are guilty in this one. Every lawmaker is inside of this planet here. In this coronavirus is guilty for the death of them people. I'm not saying so.